Now it is. Okay.
Done?
Yeah.
All right, grab the bar, please. We got it, hands are good, get your feet good. Bend your shoulders back. You're going to do 3 deadlifts. Have that bar travel straight down. Keep contact with your legs, come back up. I want you to look about 10 feet out in front of you or look straight ahead, don't look down. Come back up, one more. Good, now you're going to go down to mid-shin, you're going to do a full squat clean. So a full clean. Come back up, get your eyes up, and go. Pull yourself, you got 2 more, go down to mid-shin. Pull yourself underneath a little quicker. Good. Get that bar on your shoulders as best you can. You're good, keep it in the rack position, elbows out front, your feet are in squatting position. 3 front squats. Keep your core tight. Okay, good. Adjust your feet back to starting position. Now you're going to do 3 shoulder presses, elbows out here, your elbows will go down a bit and crush straight out and lock it out overhead. Go 3. Okay, you got 3 push presses. Make sure you're staring straight ahead. Dip, short dip and straighten your legs as the bar comes down. Look straight ahead. Thank you. Now you do 3 push jerks. I want you to stop your feet, land in a quarter squat while it's fully extended. Okay, it's good. Loose up the bar as you're standing up. So it's good. Okay, leave it up there. Pull it back down on your back and then cushion it. Okay, you got 3 back squats. Once you roll your wrist, try to get your wrist straight. And 3 back squats. Keep your core tight. Okay, widen your hands, snatch grip. I want you to bounce and lock it out. Press up, and shrug out. There you go. And do 3 overhead squats. Okay, bring it back down to your waist. And you're going to do 3 power snatches, so your feet are going to have to be in jumping position, starting position. And 3 power snatches, so land the quarter squat. Okay, a little quicker. All I want you to do is go down and up. So you're here, I want you going down and then straight up. Keep the bar tight. It's not going to let your chest go forward as much. I want you just going down and up. Okay, good. Set the bar down. Gently. Nice job.
Stop it.